YouTube tells us that 65.3% of the people who watch our content are not subscribed. So please subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. So, dear friends, we are back again with our English reading for the weekly predictions. So, in this reading, we are going to see the predictions of the coming week for all of the zodiac signs from Aries until Pisces. And this is a timeless reading. So, whenever you happen to click at this link, so from that time, for a period of say 7 to 10 days, these energies are going to be applicable for you. So let us begin our reading. So if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is any of these, you can check the timings in the comment box below and see your reading. So let us begin with our first zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Aries, and let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Aries friends. Let us see the energy vibrations. Wow. Emperor. Seems to be a powerful week for my Aries friends. So Monday, Tuesday, you are in control. You are feeling empowered. It can be symbolic of a person around you who is more powerful, who is abundant, who has a position of authority. And then we have the Queen of Wands alongside, which is again a very personal powered week for you. So you are feeling empowered, you are feeling abundant, and we have the King of Pentacles. Wow. What more could we have asked for? So this is a week of a lot of abundance and personal power for all of my Aries friends who are here, who have clicked on this reading. So I do feel that, it can be your own energy, that you are absolutely feeling empowered, energized, and your physical body is also very strong. You're very, very passionate about the things you want to manifest into your life. And in this week, there is going to be an opportunity of, start of a business, or might be, an opportunity to grow your business profession and upgrade. That is heading towards you. It can be for you, or it can be for a person around you, can be your partner who is Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The energy can be centered around a love relationship also. So this having two of rods at your base, I do feel that, if you were in some kind of a partnership business, I feel that, it is possible that you are now dividing this business or making choices of your partners you want to pursue this business or work with. In a love scenario, definitely a lot of stability, security is coming in your married life. There is an upgrade happening, absolutely some kind of an abundant opportunity. Might be you're investing in a business or a home, or making a purchase of something solid like gold coins. There is a blessing of heredity money coming for some of my friends. So I do feel that the week is very, very strong financially, and your health is also very strong. This is a week of personal power and upgrade. What more to say? So if you were exploring your options to move to another city, state, or a country, that can manifest for you in the coming week. Definitely you were contemplating some kind of a change, and that change seems to be manifesting for you in the coming week. Let's see which astral house are, two of the astral houses are also here. We have the travel card popping up. So might be you're planning to shift, or might be it is a week of travel for you, wherein you are going to, gain a lot of wisdom, knowledge. It's a time frame of upgrade and financial benefits happening for you. So they say an upcoming trip proves to be life-changing in positive ways. This is an absolute blissful opportunity of upgrade happening for you. Wealth, exactly, with the King of Cups. There's an opportunity of manifestation of wealth for you. All of the week is fantabulous, and happiness manifesting into your life. I mean, what else could we have asked for? Time to act. With the Queen of Wands, this is the time of you gaining your personal power. Take this opportunity into your hand. Talk to the people in position who can, manifest it for you. It's a very, very empowered week for my Aries friends. In all areas of your life, I see abundance manifesting for you. So lots of love and best wishes to you. Comment down below if you could relate to this reading. Lots of love and best wishes. Well, wow. Let's move on to our next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Taurus. And let us see how the coming week is going to be for my Taurian friends. So what is the energy vibrations of the coming week for my Taurian friends? Dearest angels, let us see. Wow. You start the week with the Fool card. That is the energy of freedom, travel, movement, starting something new. Mid of the week is another major arcana with the Hanged Man, which is referring to you having patience, you seeing the things from a different perspective, you surrendering to the divine, and you sacrificing something to end a very, very painful cycle in your life. So this week is an end of your, difficulties, one life chapter that you were holding on to, and you are manifesting freedom into your life. So yes, you have opportunities of, soulful joy, growth for yourself. Travel is on your mind. So there is an opportunity of travel. Either you were traveling in the last week, or there is an opportunity of movement and travel that you're seeking for yourself. And Monday, Tuesday, I do feel that, you are traveling also. It could be a situation around your child. So, two major arcanas in your reading is a very, very, positive week for you. I'd suggest you do some yoga for yourself, meditations to open up your crown chakra, your third eye chakra. And towards the week end, there is an energy of some kind of an ending of a painful chapter in your life. This situation could relate to an elderly person in your family also. So it can be with regard to your partner, a parent, somebody. Okay, so mid of the week, yeah, travel. On the baseline, there is travel. An upcoming trip proves to be life-changing in positive ways. So if you had travel on your mind, I do feel that, you can evaluate and re-evaluate your options. I do feel that, there is an opportunity of financial benefit which you are contemplating, which might require you to move away from choppy waters, to move away from chaotic times toward calmer times, and this might involve some kind of travel for you. So I do feel that, in the coming week, there is going to be an end of a situation wherein you were stuck. Yes. Exactly. We have a boat over here. And they say money or property through an inheritance, winning, or a windfall. So this is a very, very beautiful time frame for you. As money and property is coming towards you via inheritance as well, it is a good time frame to play lotteries, as winning and windfall is on cards for you. And with the boat card, definitely I do feel that movement, travel, expansion is happening for you. Plenty of material things. Wow, it is a very, very abundant week for you. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. I do see, freedom manifesting into your life. You were stuck in certain, situations which were, absolutely painful. There was stuck up energy in your chakras, which is going to be released in the coming week. Wow, and this is a start for a business venture. Wow. So for some of my friends, if you had a plan to invest might be in another city, state, or a country, to start a business venture, which can be a slow start, but eventually it is going to lead to soulful joy. This is your soul purpose. Also, I do feel that you're going to start this business, this new profession, this new opportunity for yourself in the coming week. So they say trust and follow through on a new business idea or a career opportunity. So very wonderful time for you to manifest business, work for yourself. And if you were in relationship with a person who was, I feel that, this person is either immature or this person is, younger to you in age, and you've decided to, you were stuck in this relationship, and I feel that, you are going to move away from this person or this relationship and manifest freedom for yourself from a, relationship that was not manifesting into any kind of commitment. So this is a time frame of a big judgment coming from the universe for you and a start of something new for you. So I wish you all the best, my Taurian friends. Fantabulous energies for you. Enjoy yourself. Let us move on to the next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Gemini, and let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Gemini friends. So dear angels, what are the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Gemini friends? Wow, so this is a week of a big wish fulfillment for my Gemini friends. I do feel that a certain energy blockage from your third eye chakra is going to be released on Monday, Tuesday, and in doing so, you or a person around you is suffering a lot of headaches. I do feel that, either you or a person around you is unwell. It is possible that they're also admitted in a hospital for recovery, and so you are very upset, you are feeling very discontented with life because of this scenario. This is a period of healing for this person as well, healing for you. There is a need of forgiveness. The emotion of unforgiveness has to be released from the third eye chakra and the heart chakra. If you were taking healings in the last week, I do feel that, Monday, Tuesday, this emotion, this stuck up emotion from your third eye chakra is going to be released. Some of you are going to absolutely suffer some kind of anxiety, stress, or, headaches, and this release is going to take place from your body, and eventually there is going to be healing which will come into your body or the body of the person who is around you, who is on your mind, and there is going to be rejuvenation of their health in the coming week. So this is a week of a lot of healing. This is a week of hope, inspiration, happiness. If you were stressed about a certain financial opportunity to manifest in your favor, if you were wishing for yourself to, start a business from home, some opportunity of business or work from home that you wanted to manifest for yourself, and you were taking healings and you were feeling that bored and jaded with life, that when is this opportunity of my work abundance going to manifest for me? This new opportunity of work and abundance is going to manifest for you in the coming week. So Monday, Tuesday, as I said, that there is a bit of negative thinking pattern and the energy is going to be released out of your body. Mid of the week, Wednesday, Thursday, your wish fulfillment with the star card, and towards the end, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you feel abundant, you're enjoying your life, absolutely dressing up well, and health is superb, eating well, enjoying in your gardens, enjoying your abundance, and this opportunity comes to you from the Queen of Pentacles. If this reading is with regard to love that you're referring to, I do feel that you were not in communication with your partner, and either you or your partner wanted a time frame of isolation. They wanted to stay away from worldly pressures or the pressure that you cause on their mind because of the people or your demands. And so you were feeling jaded, bored in last few weeks or months might be, and you were really stressed about manifesting this relationship with them. Yeah, so in this week, this manifestation is going to happen for you. Your yes answers, your healings, they committing towards you, that kind of an energy is going to happen. Just as you release your negative thinking patterns, love is going to manifest, commitment is going to come into your life in the coming week. So it's very beautiful week from the mid of the week until the end of the week. So this blockage has to be released from your heart chakra, so you can take forgiveness healings. There are 2 forgiveness healings on our YouTube channel. As well, you can take the third eye chakra healing from our YouTube channel. Okay, great. Yeah, new opportunities, possibilities, and paths opening up for you. Exactly. So yeah, in your work area, also in your love life, also there are new opportunities, possibilities, and paths opening. For my spiritual friends, I do feel that you are releasing negative blockages from your body, healing, upgrading your spiritual journey. You will be shown the way. This is a fantabulous energy, and I do feel that if you light up candle throughout the week and pray to the universe to show you the way, which in any area which is causing you so much stress, anxiety, and headaches and nightmares, wherein you're not even being able to sleep, or might be there is a person around you who is in isolation, unwell, or they don't wish to communicate. So this way is going to be shown to you from the divine realm, from the angelic energies. Wow, spring season, and I did see summer on the base. So spring, summer is the time frame of your manifestation of desires. I would take spring as it comes before summer. So they say your desires fully manifest as the flowers bloom to spring. So depending on which country you are in the spring season, your desire is going to absolutely manifest. So there is no need to worry. There is no need to have this anxiety. This is a fantabulous reading for you. All that you want to manifest into your life and bring this satisfaction into your life, that is going to happen for you in the spring season. The seeds you're going to start to see from the coming week, and the final manifestation will happen in your favor. Yes, and they want me to highlight about the zodiac signs. So Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, Aquarius becomes evident over here for you in the coming week. Yes. So let us move further. So far so good, to the next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Cancer. And let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Cancerian friends. So what are the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Cancerian friends? So for my Cancerian friends, I want to thank my Cancerian friend Nima Tamang over here. I hope you're listening to this reading. And in my Hindi reading, you had given me a suggestion to do 16-hour fasting and some other techniques you had taught me. So thank you very much. As you can see, my health is very good just within a day's time. So I wish you all the best. I wish you best of the best in your line, in your career. Whatever you are doing for people is going to bring a lot of happiness, abundance to you. Thank you so much for guiding me for my health, and I'm absolutely feeling blissful today, and all credit goes to you. Thank you so much, Nima Tamang. I want to thank you. Now let's move on to our zodiac sign, all of our friends of zodiac signs of Cancer, and let us see what are the energy vibrations. Wow, 3 of Wands, the card of expansion, the card of partnerships, the card of travel, and the card of a lot of passion. As in, you are very hopeful. Now you know that something has started manifesting into your life, and you are waiting for your ships to reach you. So this is a very, very empowered week for you, my Cancerian friends. And the most powerful thing which I see over here for you is that you are becoming emotionally very wise. So your emotional quotient is gaining a lot of strength. So a lot of strength, a lot of personal power. You're taking your life into your hand. Your magic wand is into your hand now. And I do feel that there is a person around you who is helping in your manifestations also. It can be in the divine realm also. I do feel there is a Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, there is a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, there is a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius person around you. And this person is like a healer. This person is like a guide, like a mother, is very nurturing, who is helping you come out of the chaotic times into the calmer times. And wow, fantabulous energies for you. So Monday, Tuesday, either you are traveling or planning to travel, movement, forward movement, expansion, getting help from 3 to 4 people around you. Mid of the week, you are coming in contact with either a spiritual person or a lawyer, doctor, healer, an agent, a middle person who is helping you in the manifestations of your desires. And towards the weekend also, I do feel that there is a person who is like a healer, who is a middle person, who is helping you in the manifestations of your greatest desires. So yes, so this is an empowered week, and you are surrounded by many people who are like guides to you, who are like very helpful people towards you. So your own energy is good, feeling very, very energized and powerful. Yes, exactly. So in a work scenario, I do feel that there are people helpful around you. I do see that if you want to pursue a spiritual career for yourself, your third eye chakra is releasing negative blockages and you're gaining a lot of emotional strength. What you're needed to do for yourself is to give yourself love. The amount of nurturing you do for the other people of your family or your friends, you need to give that love to yourself also. So this is a week wherein you should be taking good care of yourself, and from there emerges your personal power. Yes, so now let's see. Yeah, so in a work scenario, if you want to manifest movement to another city, state, or a country, there is an offer which is going to come to you from a middle person, an agent. And this can manifest a lot of abundance for you in the near future. For some of my friends, absolutely it is a time frame when you're going to visit a spiritual person, or you're going to come in contact with a healer, a teacher, a religious place, or a religious organization becomes very evident for you. There is a healer, there is a teacher, there is a person around you who is guiding you in the manifestations of your greatest desires. That's what I feel. For some of my other friends, in their work area, there is a senior person in a company. There are big organizations you're coming in contact with. Big companies might be organizations, government organizations, and they are going to bless you. There are senior persons, there are agents who are going to help you with your visas, manifestations, or whatever you want, in the coming week. Exactly. There is a lot of blessing coming to you from your deceased loved ones in heavens, your ancestors as well. You can take blessings from your parents, parent-in-laws. There are people around you who are blessing you. They can be your parents, they can be senior members of the family. That also, I feel it is a time frame of you to stay very much committed, to follow your morals, to follow the right path. That's another message coming through. Basket recognition reward for merit. Wow. So an upgrade happening for you. Recognition and reward for merit. And with the basket and the fruits, I do feel that if you are going to eat the high vibrational foods, it is going to, fruits, vegetables, juices, is absolutely going to enhance your personal power even more. You are looking very dynamic, charismatic, taking good care of yourself. There's a card of leg, exactly, stepping into a new experience. And this is, leg up. This is like, an upgrade happening. You stepping into a new experience, you stepping up your game. You becoming a healer, you becoming a card reader, you becoming a spiritual person, you holding a position of power in your company, you becoming like a guide to your children, to your partner. So this is a time frame of an upgrade happening for my Cancerian friends, and your sun becomes evident over here. So if you wanted to manifest childbirth for yourself, So I do feel that, if somebody is pregnant or wanted to manifest childbirth, you are holding your baby is a son. That's the indication coming. And else, if you had concerns about your child, if you have a son and you have concerns about the upbringing of your child, or there were misunderstandings happening, so the guidance message over here, they say your son is watched over and protected as he explores his world. So it is possible that you have some kind of a concern about your child, your son. So this is a big confirmation coming from the divine realm that your son is watched over and protected as he explores the world. And as well, this card can indicate that a person who is like a son to you can become evident in the coming week. So it can be a week of a lot of either you becoming like a parent to a child, a person who is like a son to you, your younger brother might be, or somebody around you, and that person is a divine connection to you, and you are absolutely, that person is protected as he explores the world, if there is any concern that you have about that person. So it's a very, very beautifully blessed week for my Cancerian friends as well. So far, so good. Time for personal power. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. So let's move further and see what are the energy vibrations of the coming week for my Leo friends. So let us see the energy vibrations of the coming week for my Leo friends. How is the coming week going to be for our Leo friends? Justice. So karmic rewards, justice coming into the favor of our Leo friends. Lot of balance in their physical energy, also a lot of balance. Might be taking good care. I do feel that some of you have started some kind of an exercising regime, and you've started feeling energized in your body, gaining balance in your physical body also, exploring. Okay, let us see what it is about. So it is about expansion, might be travel plans. Yeah, exactly, with the world card on the base and the Two of Rods. I feel that there is a chapter of your life that is ending, and what it is leading towards you is a lot of adventure, expansion, travel, partnerships, exploration. So you are moving towards new energies. And during this whole process, there is a transition happening, and this transition is happening as your karma, whatever karma you did, that is the transition that is happening towards you. So Monday, Tuesday, there can be an involvement of a court of law, a lawyer or a judge can be evident with the Justice card. Or else there can be a Libra person, a Sagittarius person, a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpion person around you during this week, or this person is on your mind. I do see a younger person around you or on your mind. This can be your younger partner whom you're really attracted towards, or they are attracted towards you. It can be your child also. So you are wishing for some kind of a justice coming from the court of law either, or from the universe for you. So Monday, Tuesday, a balanced karmic reward is going to come. Mid of the week, I do feel that some kind of a news is coming towards you. Either it is, an email message, a text message, or a phone call from somebody you were really wishing to come in contact with. Might be travel towards them also. Some of you are traveling also in the mid of the week. Towards the end of the week, I do feel that there is a need for you to make a gratitude list and thank the universe, as I feel that you are feeling a bit jaded and bored in life. However, there is an offer of reconciliation. There is an offer of forgiveness that is coming towards you from this person that you are seeking for. However, you are not willing to accept this offer. So I do feel there can be a situation that a child approaching their parent, or a younger partner approaching with a certain offer, but however you are not satisfied with this offer towards you, as if and this is a period of transition definitely heading towards you. So think about it, make a list of all the blessings you already have and think about it. So it is a time frame of movement, travel, manifesting into your life. Can be, you contemplating a move for near future. In a work scenario, definitely an opportunity to move to another city, state, or a country has come to you. You are wishing for a balance in your work life and your home life. You want to give more time to your children. Might be you're doing some kind of an adventurous activity with your child, but you hold a very high standards for him to him or her to live up to your standards. So you feel some kind of a discontent in this dealing with your child. However, you are to open up your heart and forgive yourself for not understanding your child from where he or she comes from. That's the message they want to give. Family wishes coming through. Yes, exactly. So if you wished for marriage and commitment, I do feel a court marriage is heading towards you. So a big family wish might be to travel to another city, state, or a country, or might be a court case that you were fighting, an email, a message that comes to you and it is in your favor. Might be a requirement of a bit of mediation is needed in that case. And they say financial gain usually coming from something you did in the past. Wow. So very, very fantabulous week for my Leo friends. Perfect timing. This is the right time for you to move forward. So exactly, it's a timing for you to move forward and have a forward-minded thinking also. So very, very blessed week. Financial gains and family wishes coming true for my Leo friends. So I wish you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. Wow. Let's move further to the next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Virgo. And let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Virgo friends. So let us see the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Virgo friends. So dear angels, what are the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Virgo friends? Devil energy talks about your addictions. I do feel that it was festive time, so maybe you were having a lot of sweets, you were having more of alcohol, you were having more of junk, fatty food. So in order to satisfy yourself, so I feel that Mondays, Tuesday, there is a need for you to come out of your addictions. Whatever addictive patterns that you're following, you need to release them. You can take your healings, and during your healings you can ask the divine realm to help me release the addictions that I am having. And with this release of addiction, your stresses are also going to be released. So it's a very big mixed week wherein two major arcanas have come over here. One is that of the Star card and one is that of the Devil card. So your destiny is shifting definitely. There are proposals of satisfaction. There are proposals of soulful joy coming towards you. However, you need to understand this deeply. If you want to connect with the divine realm, if you want to have true blessings of the divine, you need to cleanse your energy from inside out. Okay, so and this is a time frame wherein Monday, Tuesday, you are being guided to work on your negative thinking patterns, as well your whatever nature. If you have a nature of controlling people, absolutely this nature of controlling people, controlling situations is causing you a lot of stress in your body, I feel. So, whenever you take healings from our YouTube channel, whichever healings you are taking, you need to tell the universe that I need to release my negative habit of controlling people, wherein I work from my ego or my addictions. So ask for a release of your addictions, ask for a release for your codependency patterns, ask for the release of your obsessions and your negative thinking patterns. And when you're going to ask for this release, I feel that Monday only you are in this energy. You are going to, by Tuesday, Wednesday, you're going to absolutely be able to release this. You're going to get a clarity, a divine gift from the universe, an aha moment, a release of a lot big blockage from your body is going to take place, and thereafter a divine gift is going to come to you in your mental health, and a clarity to fight all the struggles that were going on within your team, might be in your home, at your home, or might be in your work area. And towards the weekend, say from Friday, Saturday, Sunday, there is going to be a big blessing coming towards you. So this is a time frame of healing. This is a time frame of inspiration, hope, manifesting into your life, and this is a time frame of you coming out of your negative blockages, definitely. Okay, so let me see what else. Yes, so I would say this is a time of a big shift happening for you. This is a time of the Wheel of Fortune destiny shift. So there are two cards. One of them is a negative major arcana, one of them is a positive. So me being a positive person, I will pull up the energy of the star card and say that this is a week of healing, wherein your destiny is going to shift. The more you heal your addictions, the more you heal your negative thinking patterns, and the more you seep down inside of you as to what is negative inside of you, what causes you stress, what causes you negative thinking, what causes you to have control on people around you or situations, why they cause you stress. So this, when you're going to sit down during your meditations, during your healings, and when you're going to think about it deeply, you will understand that these are a few blockages stuck in your own chakras. And that we have an addiction healing also on our YouTube channel. Take that addiction healing to release addictions and codependency patterns. And after those healings, there is going to be a big destiny shift, and this destiny shift is finally going to lead to a new career. So your work focus is shifting in a positive, new and successful direction. So you need to work on your own negative thinking pattern so that your career takes up an upgrade. Okay, so this, your work focus is shifting in a positive, new and a successful direction. So you need to think carefully to work on your own energies. Some of you can absolutely be spiritual healers or teachers, so you need to work on your energy. You cannot be a bundle of mess yourself and then think of giving healings to other people. So you need to do your spiritual detox every day. Work on yourself, work on your negative energies, be very careful as to what you're putting inside your body. Drink more of water, have high vibrational foods and cleanse your energy. Then only you will be able to tackle other people around you. So even in your work scenario, I'd like to mention this here. You cannot be a manager to any person unless you are able to manage your own self. If you're not being able to manage your own emotional body, your own intellectual body, your own physical body, then how can you be a manager to your subordinates? So it is very important to have a check on your behavior patterns, on your addictions, and then follow a career path which makes you feel as if you are in control of yourself, as if you are in a position of a manager, and then only you will be, able to manage all this chaos that is happening around you. So that's the message coming across too. Even if you're a parent, you need to, first learn to manage yourself. How would you manage your kids if you are not in control of your own emotions? So this is a very strong message coming across. Work on your negativity, work on your own blockages, so that, the outside world becomes better for you. So this is a work to be done inside of you. Someone will gossip about all your secrets, so be very careful as to where you share your secrets, where you share your communications, because when we are in addictions of alcohol or any other we become we lose our mind, and we happen to do talks with people around us who are not of who don't wish the best for us. So this can be something that is causing you stress, so be very careful. Excitement, exactly. So excitement is there. Some fireworks, some good exciting news will come towards you. This will happen on from Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So your healing, your wish fulfillment is going to happen for you, just as you release your intoxications, just as you release your own blockages. So I wish you all the best, my Virgo friends. Lots of love and best wishes to you. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well in the coming week. Let's move forward. Let's move towards the next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Libra. And let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Libran friends. So let us see the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Libran friends. What is the guidance? What are the messages? Wow, Monday, Tuesday, the energy of healing, an offer, an invitation might be coming towards you, an invitation of soulful joy. Either you are behaving like a healer to somebody or someone else is around you. Wow, my Libran friends are having a week of absolute emotional harmony and satisfaction. A lot of compassion, a lot of equal balance of give-take of energies. Somebody, if you're seeking this reading for love and relationship, I feel that there is an offer of love coming towards you from a person, love or forgiveness. This offer is coming towards you of love and forgiveness. Might be from a person who is a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or a Taurus person, and I feel that this person can be even younger to you in age. So for many of my friends, if you were seeking a commitment in your love life, I feel that an offer of forgiveness, an offer of reconciliation comes towards you, and there is a good chance of manifestation of commitment with this person. So yes, fantabulous energies for others of my Libran friends. I feel that this is a time frame of you working with like-minded people. Some of you are getting in connection with spiritual healers, teachers, an institute wherein you are absolutely feeling a lot of bliss, coming in contact with people who are harmonious, who share similar interests as yours. And these people are like healers to you. They are helping you open up your heart chakra. For some of my friends, there is an opportunity of pursuing a spiritual career. I do feel that your connections with the divine realm are very, very strong in the coming week. So there is a union with your, your angels, your divine realms, and there is a lot of healing and a stability coming in your body also. So there could be an opportunity that you want to manifest for yourself, becoming a spiritual healer, teacher, or a guide, and you coming in contact with like-minded people. If you're already a healer or a teacher, I feel your efforts are going to be recognized by people around you. There is a position of authority that is coming towards you, and this is coming towards you for the reason that you have really worked hard. You have been very, very dedicated, and so this is a time frame of personal power coming towards you, and the personal power is coming towards you as you open up your heart towards this community. So yes, in a love and a marriage relationship, definitely a commitment is coming towards you. If you were seeking commitment and building it to the next level, talking to the parents, that kind of a scenario is happening for you. In a work, career, business scenario, I do see that you're coming in contact with big organizations. Might be you want to manifest a new opportunity. I see two new opportunities coming towards you. One is your soul purpose, and another one is, financial upgrade, is an opportunity of financial upgrade. Even it can be a sole purpose, which is going to be a slow start of finances, but eventually going to lead to a lot of abundance into your life. So this is a very, very beautiful time frame for my Libran friends. Exactly, handshake. A meeting with a stranger could be important. That's what I'm feeling in the mid of the week. There is an offer, there is an invitation, there is a proposal that is coming towards you. I feel, again, I want to say Cancer, Pisces, Scorpion, Taurus, and Gemini persons become very evident for you. Changes in your life, exactly. Manifesting changes in your life. With the moon energy, you can be taking moon healings throughout the week, as I feel your emotional body is gaining strength. Do some research. Okay, so before accepting these offers, you can do some research. So they say you need more information about this situation. Look into it further before proceeding. So yeah, so for this week you can do some more research on this opportunity which is coming towards you, and once you're satisfied with this research, you can go ahead. So reading books, coming in contact with people who are knowledgeable with the big companies, googling around, you can get information about this change that is manifesting into your life. So lots of love and best wishes, fantabulous energies. For some of my friends, I do feel that an offer of forgiveness is coming from your children also towards you, or it could be for a new opportunity of manifestation happening for your child. So wish you all the best, my Libra friends. So now let's move forward and see the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Scorpion friends. Let us see the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Scorpion friends. How is the coming week going to be for our Scorpion friends? So our Scorpion friends feel some kind of discontent in their life. Monday, Tuesday, I feel that there is an opportunity of forgiveness, there is an opportunity, a proposal, a blessing that is coming towards them from a person. This is a divine blessing. However, my Scorpion friends are feeling some kind of discontent in their life, and thereafter from Tuesday, Wednesday, wow, fantabulous energies for you. Ace of Cups and the World card. Oh my God, oh my God. What more could we have asked for? So with the two aces over here, this is in a work area. Oh my God, what fantabulous energies for my Scorpion friends. So I do feel that there has been a very quick communication that happened with you in the last week through a person, and this communication has helped you feel very, very abundant, successful in your life. It is possible that an opportunity of upgrade, name, fame, recognition, and a lot of financial abundance and stability has come towards you in the last week. This can be with regard to your work area, business area, or with regard to you manifesting a home or a move for yourself in the coming time frame. So I do feel that there are many offers coming towards you, and from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday towards the weekend, for many of my friends, I do feel that this is a new chapter of your life beginning. For many of you, there is an offer of love, reconciliation, a new start that is happening. If you are wishing for marriage and settlement, this is a time frame of you selecting your life partner. I see a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpion person over here, a Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius person over here, very evident for you. And this person is well deserving of your love and affection. There is a new beginning, a new phase of your life starting. For some of you, absolutely, this is a move to to another city, state, or a country. You're contemplating these opportunities that are coming towards you. There are two opportunities which are very, very passionate, which are giving you soulful joy. You're contemplating these opportunities, and you're going to finally going to accomplish a certain position and make a final decision towards the weekend also. So this is a time frame of an upgrade. This is a time frame of, some kind of accomplishment happening into your life, be it in your work area, be it in your work area. There is name, fame, recognition upgrade, financial upgrade, and sun shining on you. For some of my friends, they have absolutely decided to choose a career of their life purpose. That could be, moving on to an absolutely different life purpose, which is giving them a lot of soulful joy and happiness. For others of my friends, this is like, their child entering a college, or their, they themselves getting married. This is a new phase. Some of you are manifesting childbirth. Some of you are manifesting move to another city, state, or a country, an absolute career growth. There is going to be a dealing with a fair woman in the coming week for you. So they say dealing or relationship with a woman with blonde, gray, and white hair is evident. Wow. So this woman can be a woman of another country with a world card over here. So there can be an opportunity of upgrade coming for you, movement, travel. This could be an older woman also, might be with the gray or white hair, can be your mother or mother-in-law. This can be a woman who has blonde hair, might be she colors her hair blonde, she is fairer in complexion than you. There is going to be a dealing, there is going to be an offer of, soulful joy coming from this woman. Spiritual guidance, protection from harm. Wow, wonderful. So, whatever these opportunities are coming towards you, there is a lot of angelic protection for you in the coming week. So there is a lot of spiritual protection around you. That is beautiful. Birthday. Wow. So there's a time frame given over here. So they say a significant birthday holds the answers to your question. So might be the next birthday that is coming on in your family of a significant person. Is the time frame of your move, or is the time frame of your manifestations? For some of you, this is a childbirth manifesting into your life. So it's a time of celebration. It's a time of it's a time of, happiness manifesting into your life, new ideas birthing from you, and a brand new chapter of your life beginning with a lot of success, happiness, and abundance into your life. So wish you all the best, my Scorpio friends. It was a fabulous reading for you. Loved it for you. Let's move forward. Let's move towards the next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Sagittarius. And let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Sagittarius friends. So let us see the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Sagittarius friends. So our Sagittarius friends are feeling some kind of discontent right at the start of the week. The desire for you is, the suggestion for you is to drink less. I feel that you have been drinking a lot during this festive season, and this energy of over drinking is now causing you some kind of emotional blockages or sadness. That is what you are experiencing Monday, Tuesday. However, this is a time frame of growth, knowledge, wisdom, insights for you. Some of you are operating from ego. It is possible that last week, or on your mind, there is a certain fight that you've had, might be with a partner, or might be with a Virgo, Cancer, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries person. And this is causing you some kind of an isolation. Either they are in isolation, or you want to be in isolation from them. There is a Virgo person with whom you're having some kind of an ego-based energy. Might be they are traveling or wishing to travel. Something of the sorts is on your mind. Might be in the last week, or might be that's on your mind in the coming week. However, in the coming week, your energies are very strong. Mid of the week, we have the Strength card with a Leo person becoming evident, and then we have some kind of a documentation work happening over here. So if you have travel on mind, so this could be the passports, visas, or some kind of a documentation towards the weekend. It is possible that travel is manifesting for somebody. And else this can be a test report of a person. However, if the health of a certain person is suffering and you feel stuck in the situation, you just need to change your perspective. You need to have a bit more patience, I feel, in the coming week, and you have a lot of personal strength, or the person around you has a lot of personal strength to come out of this situation for themselves. So there can be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio person, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries person evident for you in the coming week. It can be a exam report card of your children might be, or some kind of a paperwork that is happening in the coming week. So it's a week of personal power. You need to believe in yourself that you have it all inside of you to manifest whatever you want to manifest for yourself in the coming week. So don't feel bored, jaded. Eat high vibrational food that is going to rejuvenate your energy. Victory in some endeavor. Exactly, I was feeling from mid of the week, say, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, this victory is going to be in your favor. Might be a work opportunity that you wanted to manifest for yourself, moving to another city, state, or a country. Or if you're a spiritual person and you've had an ego clash with somebody, you were feeling discontented, I do feel that there is going to be victory in your favor. Dark woman, so there is going to be a dealing with a darker woman. So might be this woman has a bit darker complexion than yours. So dealing or relationship with a woman with dark complexion or hair. So might be this is somebody, can be a healer or a teacher, might be. You're going to deal with this person, you know it better. Can be a person working at your home also. Some kind of a situation, or can be a Virgo person, can be your mother, mother-in-law. There is some kind of a dealing that is happening with this woman. However, victory is in your favor. If you were in some kind of an ego clashing situation with this person, victory is going to be in your favor. Be yourself. Wow. This situation calls for you to be your authentic self, which is the basis for your personal power. So even if this is a third party situation wherein you doubt your partner to be in relationship with this third party person, I do feel that they are not in any relationship with anybody. They are paying more attention to their work, or they want to educate themselves, something of the sorts. However, there is going to be a dealing with this dark complexion hair woman. Might be she colors her hair dark, something of the sorts. So it is a victorious week for my Sagittarius friends. So enjoy yourself. Lots of love and best wishes to you. Some kind of paperwork is going to be done, which is going to come into your favor eventually. So I wish you all the best. Let's move forward. Let's move towards the next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Capricorn. And let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Capricorn friends. Let us see the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Capricorn friends. Wow, World card. Some completion, some achievement. If you were working on a project, this is a project being completed. A lot of appreciation and accomplishment. For many of my friends, this is a new chapter of their life beginning. Some of you are manifesting home. Some of you are celebrating. Might be, manifesting marriages, engagements for yourself or a member of your family. It is possible that your child is getting engaged, or you're fixing up marriages for them. There is something with regard to your home and celebration in this week. So celebrating a certain function, birthday, something of the sorts. Wow. What an amazing week for my Capricorn friends. Amazing. Loved it for you. So sun on the base, happiness manifesting. So all of those situations which were causing you heartbreaks are now away from you. There is a middle person who has helped you out in this situation. I do feel a Leo, Sagittarius, Virgo and an Aquarius person is involved in this situation. So the coming week is a week of a lot of wisdom, knowledge, insights coming into your life. Some of you are absolutely planning to become a spiritual healer or a teacher, and you're starting your own profession, your own business, as in a work from home profession for yourself. And for others of you, I feel that an opportunity of working to in another city, state, or a country manifests for you. And this opportunity is an opportunity of a lot of learning and growth for you. So this opportunity is going to open the doors of wisdom, knowledge, and insight for you. It is your 1111 moment. Okay, great. And for others of my friends, if you wanted to manifest love for yourselves, it is a time frame of love and commitment manifesting for you. If you were not in contact with your partner, you were in isolation, you were single, it is possible that now this time of your life to get committed has come. So your marriage, your commitments, your move going to finally happen for you in the month of June 2022. June 2022 is the month they want to highlight over here. Grasshopper, situation in the balance that require careful handling. So whatever is manifesting for you, you need to operate from a place of a very wise person. Either you can seek the wisdom of a wise person, a spiritual person, a guide, or a parent around you in order to finally have a mature decision in this whole scenario, this situation for yourself. So 2 major arcanas, and third one over here is a very strong positive week for you, an accomplishment for yourself or your partner or your child or your parents, moving to next level. Exactly. So might be your child moving to another city, state, or a country for work, or job opportunities, an upgrade happening, spiritual wisdom coming for some of my friends. Debts paid off. Wow, this is a fantabulous card. So this card tells me that your debts from the past of this life and the past of many other lives have been paid off now. And now is the time, they say, the old way and habit of debt is lifted from you and your family. So if literally you had debts to pay off, they have been paid off already. And this is a time frame, might be you were taking healings, and this is a time frame when you finally release your past life karmas. You're out of those bondages. Might be you took that healing of cutting the poverty vows also. So this is a time frame of manifesting big things into your life. So I wish you all the best. And from here, your abundance, your success, your accomplishments are going to manifest. So I wish you all the best, my Capricorn friends. Fantabulous readings for you. Lots of love and best wishes. It can be manifestation of a new home or a business, something for you, which is an upgrade for you. So wish you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes. Let's move forward to the next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Aquarius. And let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Aquarian friends. Let us see the energy vibrations of the coming week. So it's a period of healing for my Aquarian friends. They're already healing from chaotic times, moving towards calmer times. Some of you are literally traveling Monday, Tuesday. Might be traveling with your child, might be traveling with your partner, parents, something of the sorts. Mid of the week with the energy of the moon card, I feel that there is a situation of suspense, there is a situation of secrets on your mind. And even towards the weekend, I feel that there is a blockage in your third eye chakra and your heart chakra that needs to be released. And this is a week of healing wherein you are going to finally release this stress, anxiety, and this nightmare kind of a situation. You feel bored and jaded in your life. There is an emotion of unforgiveness that is stuck in the body of my Aquarian friends who are reading this, who are seeing this reading. You need to release this unforgiveness, this this feeling of insecurity, this feeling of anxiety, this feeling of, sleepless nights from your third eye chakra and heart chakra. So throughout the week, you need to take the moon healings. And during these moon healings that we have made on our YouTube channel, you have to ask the divine realm to please help you release the blockages from your heart chakra, from your third eye chakra, which cause you a lot of anxiety, which are holding the emotions of unforgiveness in your body. So this is a complete week of healing happening. A big release is going to happen from your third eye chakra and your heart chakra, and eventually it is going to lead to a lot of gain of knowledge, wisdom and insights. So this is a time frame for some of my spiritual friends. Definitely there is a huge blockage in your third eye chakra, your crown chakra and your heart chakra, which is going to be released in this week. And as a result of the release of these blockages, you are going to have some headaches, you are going to have some heartaches also. Might be you will cry, you will feel some kind of anxiety, as it is a time frame for you to say goodbye to the old and hello to the new. So they say you finish one part of your life and now a new and even better part is beginning, and before beginning that new part, you need to make a complete release of this blockage from your body. So I do feel that there is a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio person, there is a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius person on your mind in the coming week. And the month that they have given for your manifestations is the month of November itself, which is a good news. I do feel that in this week itself, you are going to make this major release. And thereafter, these manifestations are going to happen for you. And in the month of November, there is a full moon eclipse. There is a lunar eclipse happening, I feel, on 19th of November. By that time, this release is going to be complete and it is going to open up a new gateway for you. Exactly. You will be receiving or giving a precious gift. In the coming week, you will be receiving or giving a precious gift. I feel that this gift is going to come to you from the divine realm. Your energy blockages are going to be cleansed. So on a very day-to-day basis, for a general layman, I can say that Monday, Tuesday, you're feeling calmer in your energies, you're taking healings. Mid of the week, there is an energy of, a lot of psychic development. And you feeling a bit suspicious about a certain situation. Towards a weekend, there is an energy of heartache, betrayal, and this is an energy which can make you feel cry, or might be you are suffering from some kind of cold, sneezing also, as this energy has to be released from your body. Perfect timing. This is the right time for you to move forward. Exactly. I do feel that you are traveling or planning to travel in the coming week. So you need to move forward from those people, places and situations that were causing you chaos in your life. I feel there is an ending of a stressful situation. There was a relationship that was absolutely causing you a lot of anxiety. Eventually, you'll plan to end that relationship for yourself. So there is a death, there is an ending of a certain scenario for you, for my Aquarius friends, and this is going to open up your heart chakra and your third eye chakra. Wishing you all the best, lots of love and best wishes. Now let's move on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Pisces, and let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Piscean friends. Let us see the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Piscean friends. So there is a situation for some of my Piscean friends. It is a situation of, some kind of a betrayal, or, that is happening. Might be you feel betrayed in a certain situation, and regarding that situation, you are going to have a communication with your soulmates, your ex-partners, your neighbors, your lovers from the past, of this life or past life, might be with your siblings, your parents, your old friends. And just as you're going to have this communications, you're going to start to build up this relationship and open up yourself for new into your life. This is a week of a lot of healing. So if you were heartbroken on a certain scenario, I do feel that there have been fights, there have been situations of heartbreak, there have been situations of a lot of negative energies in the last week or might be last month, that you were going through a transition and there was a need of a blockage from your heart chakra to be released, and that might be happened for you in the last week or might be in the last month. And in the coming week there is going to be an end to your struggles. All your painful cycle is going to end in the coming week. Monday, Tuesday, you are going to, all of the week you're going to have a communication with a person with whom you've had this heartbreak. Now this person can be from the past of this life, can be your sibling, your parent, your friends, or this can be your ex-lover from this life or past life. I do feel that the healing of past life is going to take place. Healing, healed, healer, healing energy surrounds you and the situation. So this situation was happening around you because you were going through a certain awakening, a certain blockage in your heart chakra had to be released, and so this fight and this scenario of heartbreak happened for you. So Monday, Tuesday, a big blockage is going to release from your chakras. Mid of the week, there is a lot of pleasurable time. You communicating with these soulmates of yours, and towards the end of the week also you're building up a relationship with them, making a plan to do, might be, planning of marriage happening, planning of building a home happening with your parents or your siblings, planning of building a home business, something of the sort. In a work environment also, I feel that you will absolutely decide to move away from a career, from a situation, work area which was causing you a lot of heartbreak, and now you're going to come in contact with people from past of this life in your past offices or your neighborhood, and you will who appreciated you for your work, you're going to join them, and your work is going to be appreciated. So there are going to be offers of you joining their companies, their creative projects. So that kind of building up energy with the soulmates. Might be you took the healing of connecting with the soul family, and that is what is happening for you in the coming week. So very, very healing, very, very inspired week for you. A big wish fulfillment happening for you. Exactly. So candle, you will be shown the way. So I do feel that throughout the week, if you're going to burn the candle and speak your wishes and desires towards the angels, highest vibrational beings, you will be guided how to come out of this situation which was causing you a lot of stress. And it is a week of a good news manifesting for my Piscean friends. I'm really happy for my Piscean friends. Good news, building of a career, building of a relationship happening for you. Summer is the time frame for your marriages or for your new career, for your move. So they say everything that you're asking for becomes yours in the summertime. So have patience, and this building up will start to happen from the next week, from the coming week, that is from tomorrow. So I wish you all the best, lots of love and best wishes. If you are wishing to start the construction of your ancestral home by summertime, it will be finalized for you. So wishing you all the best, my Piscean friends, and wishing all the best to all of my friends here on Healing Souls. Thank you so much, dear friends. Lots of love and best wishes to you. Thank you.